Here's some diesel power at Unique Specialty and Classics. This one is a 1992 Dodge Ram 250 LE. Has the 5.9 liter Cummins turbo diesel underneath the hood. And that is paired up with a automatic transmission. Nicely equipped, power steering, power brakes, AC. Actually, Carfax indicates this vehicle was an Idaho truck the majority of its life, and it shows when you look at the lower rockers around the wheel wells, and we will take a little closer look at that. But first, let's take a peek at the front chrome on the bumper. Get a good look at the grille. Headlight bezels, of course, bright red as you can see, gray interior. All right, still pictures. So you can see the underside. Underside has been undercoated. You're going to be able to see the bed, which has a spray-in bed liner in it, as well as a roll-up access cover back there. You're going to see the interior. And all those still pics can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. You can see lockouts in the front hubs, steel wheels. Tires are Michelin's, and they're date-coded 2017, and take a look at all the tread left on those. Won't be needing tires for a while. Good shape there. Let's take a look down this passenger side. We'll kind of take a look around these wheel wells, the lower rockers like I was talking about. This thing spent a bunch of time in the Midwest. It would not look like this. No doubt about it. Lower rockers looking good. Running boards have already been installed. Interior also in beautiful shape. It does have a dash mat on it. In the still pictures, I took pictures without the dash mat on there. It's not hiding anything except for a very nice dash. No cracks, no discoloration. Sliding rear glass. There's that rolled up access cover, and you're going to see the still pictures both way. You're going to be able to see the bed liner with the access cover rolled up. We do have a dinger back here on the rear bumpers, you can see. Tow package with the receiver. Also has trailer brakes. Controller already set up in it. There you can see the spray and bed liner. Bed's in nice shape. Look at how straight these panels are. This thing is not all beat up. All right, few notes on this truck. The drivetrain was rebuilt in 2018. Brakes straight. 90% in the front. Rears are good also. Typical powertrain seat, nothing out of the ordinary. I mean, it's driven. Don't be afraid to get in this thing and drive it. And previous owner did mention cruise, and the AC was an op. It's still R12, may need to be recharged or converted. 134A. Also has been undercoated like I mentioned earlier, and dual exhaust. Now you can see up and down this driver's side also free of really any corrosion down below, major nicks, dings, or scratches. We are going to start it up too. I did click on the fan before I started this video, so you may hear that running in the background. But I want to click on that fan since we are going to start a diesel indoors here. But I want to let you hear it run quick. We'll take a peek underneath the hood. As you can see, power windows, power locks. Seating surface is like new. Nice rubber floor mats. Those are actually WeatherTechs. In the still pictures, you'll see the carpeting underneath them. It's in good shape. Tilt column. All right, odometer reads 217,933. Let's go ahead and fire this up. Stereo does work real quick. Does have a cassette player, cassette tape stuck in the cassette player. Otherwise, radio does work. I had that powered up, works fine. You can close that a second. So no service engine lights, check engine, anything like that. That was a cold start. Battery gauge, fuel and oil pressure, and fuel is at 3/4. So fuel gauge works, oil pressure working. And again, nothing hiding underneath that mat except for a nice dash. Headliner's good. Sounds as you'd expect. Let's go ahead and get this hood open and take a peek at that engine bay. We'll get this wrapped up. There's a good look at the underside of the hood. Quick peek at this engine bay. In 5.9 liter turbo Cummins diesel. I should say Cummins if I want to pronounce that correctly. You Dodge diehards. 1992 Dodge Ram 250 LE. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Yes, it is a 4x4. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1992 Dodge W250 diesel pickup truck. When a Dodge Ram was a Dodge Ram. Four-wheel drive, automatic on the column. Ready to tow, you can turn off overdrive. That lovely diesel sound. The Cummins turbo diesel under the hood. Battery gauge shows we're charging over 14 volts. The temperature gauge just coming up off of cold. Shifting nicely. That automatic transmission. A little bit of wind noise around the wing window on the passenger side. But hey, we've got wing windows. Those are the greatest for ventilation. Fuel gauge shows 3/4 of a tank. Oil pressure about 2/3 of the way up. Looking good. Speedometer working. Sony stereo in the dash.
At the Mayo Clinic Event Center. Tickets are on sale now.
FM is working on that radio. The blower motor works on this truck. We've got a dash pad covering the dash. Just the right amount of firmness to the ride in this truck. Let you know it is a 4x4. Handles well, feels like a low mile truck. It looks it too, the interior and exterior looking very nice. Corner's nice and level due to that heavy suspension. Made for towing and doing work or just looking good. Cloth bench seat, very comfortable in this truck. Nice looking headliner, tonneau cover. Find all the pictures of this truck at uniqueclassiccars.com.